Mm-hmm. Perfect. Nice downpipe. All the head gaskets. Easy fitment. It's now the most important box, guys, is underneath here. Waiting for this forever. This is all for my wife's Honda. The babies are sleeping right now, so I'm keeping the volume down. Or not. But, oh, you guys already know where it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, can't wait to see these beauties. I'll get coilovers for my car eventually. I know. Alright. 3, 2, 1. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead. Ooh, look at them beauties. Not the typical golden bronzes. Most people go with the one that's more yellow looking. This is JDM. It's pretty light. JDM Speed, guys. What was it? Wasn't too bad on price. Now this one, obviously,
like $250.
Now, if you guys are wondering, when you go on the website and you see the picture, you see all this, always make sure you go to the photo where it shows the top so that you know if there's a damper setting or not. So this, you cannot adjust as soft or hard. You can only do height and lower. Which is right here. Coilovers. It's gonna be so nice. It's gonna look so good. And we're putting the wheels back on once we get tires. So look for that video too, guys. Now, I'm gonna make a video for obviously the install. But I'm not gonna do the whole entire thing. I'm just gonna do like different clips of parts. So obviously, you know that the shorter, this would be for the rear, bigger one's always in the front. So, anyways, so that is the unboxing, guys. And then there's the adjustable to tighten it and everything. So, alright, I'm gonna end it here. I have a big surprise update also for you guys that I have not recorded yet. But it's been very cold out, so I gotta ask my buddy if I can use his garage to do all this. And then I got a reveal for you guys also. So, alright, you guys have a good weekend, and next time.